Welcome to the My Day 19 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm a certified healthy lifestyle coach, and this eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and empower you to embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. This eating plan includes 21 delicious recipes that are practical, nourishing, and built around whole nutritious foods. Each recipe is accompanied by a full nutritional analysis so that you can see the calories, carbs, fats, and proteins, and how they all work together to keep you feeling satisfied and energized all day long. I will show you exactly what a day of eating looks like on this healthy lifestyle eating plan. Day 19, breakfast, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup low-fat milk, 2 tablespoons ground flax, hemp or chia seed, 1 scoop protein powder, ice. Add in a handful of spinach or kale if you desire. In a blender, combine all ingredients and blend until smooth. This smoothie provides a good balance of carbs, fats, and proteins to keep you energized throughout the morning. The flaxseed adds fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein powder boosts your protein intake, and the blueberries offer antioxidants and sweetness. Lunch, 2 cups mixed greens, 4 ounces roasted low-sodium turkey breast, unlimited non-starchy vegetables such as string beans, broccoli, cabbage, spinach, and other similar veggies, a 1/4 cup of goat cheese, and 2 tablespoons of an oil-based dressing. Goat cheese provides calcium and protein, while the oil-based dressing adds healthy fats and flavor. This lunch is high in protein and fiber, and the non-starchy vegetables add essential vitamins and minerals. Snack, 15 baby carrots and 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Baby carrots are a convenient and refreshing snack that offers vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Peanut butter provides protein and healthy fats for a filling snack that satisfies your hunger and supports your energy levels. Dinner, 95% lean ground beef burger, 4 ounces, 1 whole grain roll, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and tomatoes. A side salad and a personal favorite, 1/2 cup melon. This dinner combines lean protein from the ground beef with the fiber from the whole grain roll and an array of fresh vegetables. The side salad adds more nutrients, and melon provides a refreshing and naturally sweet dessert alternative. In addition to the recipes provided in the plan, feel free to choose any other satisfying meal options that fit within the healthy guidelines. For instance, you can opt for grilled chicken, baked salmon, or tofu as your protein sources and incorporate them into various dishes. There are countless possibilities to keep your meals exciting and tailored to your preferences. On this eating plan, we recommend consuming lean protein sources, such as chicken breast, fish, or tofu. Aim for about 6 to 8 ounces per serving. These options provide essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth, without the added saturated fat found in many protein sources. Healthy carbohydrates play a vital role in providing energy and satiety. On this eating plan, we focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These options are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, keeping you full and preventing energy crashes. Fats are an important part of a balanced diet, and on this eating plan, we prioritize unsaturated fats found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats support heart health, brain function, and nutrient absorption. We recommend limiting saturated and trans fats, which can be harmful to your overall well-being. Hydration is crucial for energy levels and overall health. This eating plan encourages drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water aids digestion, regulates body temperature, and helps transport nutrients to cells. It's important to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Pay attention to your hunger level on a scale of 1 to 10 before each meal, and take note of your satisfaction after eating. This self-awareness helps prevent overeating or undereating and promotes a healthy relationship with food. We understand that everyone has different tastes and preferences. Feel free to substitute ingredients or recipes as long as they align with the healthy eating principles outlined in the plan. The goal is to find healthy options that you genuinely enjoy and can sustain over time. We believe in setting realistic goals and making sustainable changes. This eating plan is designed to be followed for 30 days, but the healthy habits and principles can be applied long-term. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Thank you for joining us on Day 19 of the 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. Remember that small changes can lead to big results. Stay committed to nourishing your body and embracing a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means everything to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Have a wonderful day and remember to take care of yourself.